Hey guys, I purchased this printer. It was used already, not new. So the ink cartridges were installed in the printer, and when I started to print something, I sent a report. This is what the report looks like. It's just blank, so no colors coming out. I'm not sure how long it's been since it last printed anything, so the ink cartridges may have dried up. I'm gonna show you how I cleaned that. We'll see if we're successful. I looked at the ink cartridge levels. I'm gonna scroll down to ink levels, press OK, and you can see it shows that it's over 50% full. So stick with us. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna clean this, and hopefully if you have any lines going through your prints, for example, it's printing but it's making lines, most likely your ink cartridges need to be cleaned. Okay, so the first thing we'll need to do is just go ahead and open our ink cartridge door. This printer uses 61 ink cartridges, 61 black and 61 color ink, and we're going to go ahead and pull them out. So we're just going to go ahead and press down, remove the black ink cartridge, and it's from HP. It's not aftermarket or anything, so hopefully we can get them to clean. So first thing that we need to look is over here. You can see that the ink cartridge is a little bit dry. I mean, the ink on the ink cartridge is dry on that nozzle, and on the black also. So we're gonna go ahead and just get some paper towel. Usually I would spray some window cleaner on here. I'm just gonna dip it into the window cleaner solution that I have mixed with some warm water here. So I'm gonna wet my paper towel. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean it manually like this here, wipe it. And since I know it hasn't put out any color at all, I'm also going to get and put some cleaning solution on top here, just with some syringe, or you can just put it into like the paper towel and just wring it out on top of it. Let's get this one cleaned up. So another thing that was good is just to shake it and then do that. It is a possibility that it has been a long time. I absolutely have no clue how long it's been since it printed last, and it could have dried up more, but sometimes putting some solution on here works. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and grab a paper towel, soak it with some solution there, and then we're going to go ahead and just put some there, a few drops, and just let it sit for a few minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Sometimes you just need a couple of minutes for that. So depending on how bad the situation is, if, like I said, if it prints some color but has lines going through, like thin, clear lines going through your prints, then you just need maybe a little bit of cleaning. And then if it's, like in my case, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. After about 15 minutes, you'll see that the moisture isn't here anymore, but what you can do is also kind of shake it, see if it does a stamp. It's not really doing a healthy stamp for me, so I don't think the color one is going to print anything. You can just kind of shake it like that. In any case, we're going to check out if we've done any progress at all. Let's do the same thing with the black one. Go ahead and shake that. Also not giving me a very good stamp. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and open the cartridge door, install the ink cartridges. Make sure you put it in the right slot. Black goes on the right. Color goes on the left. I'm going to close the front door and see what we have. You can do a copy of something, but I'm just going to go ahead and go down to settings, and I'm going to go down to tools, and then I'm going to do print status report. And as kind of I expected, it felt like the ink cartridges were so dried up, even though it shows the levels are pretty good. Still, it didn't feel like it had any ink that was actually there. I think all the ink inside of the cartridge dried up. So this printer most likely was not used for over a year. Okay, so unfortunately at this point, my ink cartridges, I don't think they're gonna do anything. But what you can also try and give it another chance is put the ink cartridges inside of a solution. Put about a 1/4 inch of solution into any container, and then go ahead and just soak the ink cartridges in there for a few hours or overnight. So I got the ink cartridge, and all you do is just you put it in there and just let it be like that. Worst case, it's you know, it's just gonna be, it won't be able to print anymore, but we'll see how that goes. Just kind of let it work and do its thing. But in the meantime, while the black one is cleaning, I have another 61 ink cartridge. I'm gonna go ahead and put, actually I have the color one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the black one in there. Never mind, we don't need the black one if it's color. We can use the single cartridge mode, which is when you can use just the color cartridge to print all colors, including the black. So hopefully this one has a good test print that I can show you. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to show all three colors like that. So yellow in the middle, red, magenta, and cyan on the sides. There you go. So it looks like it's healthy. Yellow seems off a little bit. Okay, what I went ahead and did, well, these are soaking in the solution. I installed another ink cartridge that I have. It's a color one. The printer is in single cartridge mode, and it did the alignment page that it printed, and then you scan it and it passed the alignment page just now. So what I'm going to go ahead and just go and print the status report again, and we'll see how that looks. Here it comes. It looks very good. You can see that it's not as black as it should be. It's using the three colors. So most likely the yellow is not very good on this other cartridge, but you can also do the same thing where you soak it and let it, you can see the yellow is actually missing. So you can also clean that up. While we were working on this new ink cartridge, I pulled the our original cartridge that we had in there. Look, it's making a stamp. So I don't know if that's going to work any better. Let's check that out. So go ahead and, even though like I said, it feels like it's lighter than the other one, but it's 60% full according to the screen. So see, it's making the stamp, and that is the original cartridge that we had in there when I bought it. So make sure this is dry before you put it into the printer. So go ahead and wipe it. Don't scrub it because you might damage it. Okay, so it's asking for plain paper to be loaded. Single cartridge mode detected again. We're gonna press OK, and it's gonna try to print the alignment page. Okay, let's see how that goes. So you can see that it's trying to print something. It's not quite there though. It did do some progress, and it's been in the solution for about 5 to 7 minutes. So if you keep it overnight, you know, you might get better results, maybe 100% results sometimes if there's plenty of ink in there. So even though in this video we're not 100% successful with these ink cartridges, we have seen some progress. And a lot of times I see in similar videos that I have, people would write that, oh, it did work, it actually improved my print quality, I didn't have to change the ink cartridge, because one set is going to cost you you know, a lot, at least $50. So if you can waste a few minutes or put it into some window cleaner solution or something like that and just let it soak in warm water, sometimes works. Or running it under warm water in the faucet, you know, it's like, just try it before you throw it away. So if you are one of those who tried this right now and it did improve, I would really appreciate it if you can comment this below and just share what your experience is. We'd like to know. So have yourself a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel.